Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it again with another one. First and foremost, hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this on Instagram, thank you for checking it out on IG. Today has been mayhem. It's 7:43 local here in Houston. I got home about 7 o'clock. I've been at the malls since 11 a.m. Just nonsense. I hit on the raffles. I hit about seven pair of Breds and Yeezys. So of course I hooked friends and family up if they needed a pair, whatever I could get for them. Made that happen. Then I had a personal pair that I had to get for Finishline in Memorial City, and that line was insane. Like, I didn't get any footage of anything today. I just didn't feel like taking out my phone. It was too crowded in these malls. The line in Memorial City was insane for Finishline. For some strange reason, they have hundreds of pairs, and then they only give you a 10 to 12 window. So just imagine how many people are going to be in this line because you only gave them a 2-hour window. All the other stores in the mall had no lines because they opened at 8 a.m. So now you open 2 hours later and you got a long line with only a 2-hour window, and it was insane. I had a shoe there because I hooked a buddy up and Foot Action, and by the time I came out and saw the line and Finishline, I'm like, forget it. So I said, forget my pair, and I left and went to I went to Champs 2 in another mall, and it was ridiculous. Like, 3 people was in front of me, and it took me almost an hour to get my shoe. It was just a bunch of retail. They only had one register open. It's just been an insane day. Went to another mall, was able to get my Yeezy that I won the raffle for. And then the crazy part, they gave out tickets in the mall after 3 o'clock to people who walked up first come, first serve, who wanted a pair if they didn't get a pair. So they gave out tickets at Footlocker and Foot Action, and they gave out all the tickets. So I'm walking around. I'm still trying to find a 13. So something told me to just go to Foot Action and just ask. I mean, it don't hurt to ask. Walked down to the Foot Action and asked, and they had a 13 in there. They had size. They had Yeezys and the J's still in the store after the 3 o'clock giveaway. After the 3 o'clock tickets they gave up, they still had pairs. So it was just like, man, it was crazy. So first one I'm gonna show y'all, of course, the Yeezreel, I think these are. I don't even remember, man. They dropping them like back and forth. They got another pair come out. These are the Yeezreel, whatever that means. The Yeezy. From what I saw, this sole actually glows in the dark. They've had a couple of green glow Yeezys. The last V2 like this I wasn't able to get. I struck out both times. And then the original 350 is too narrow, so it's hard to get a 14. It's 13 hurt my feet. And this is a 13 because these fit true to size. And I like these. These joints are hard. I'm definitely rocking these. I like these joints, man. These are nice. So I picked these up at Champs. Shout out to the good people at Champs. And yeah, that's these. And then, of course, the big dogs. You've seen these before on my page, but you know, big dogs. Man, this one got a dent in it. Now here's the crazier part about this shoe. I went in there and asked them if they had a 13. They said, yes, we have a 13. This dent is bothering me. So he said, yeah, they have a 13. So by the time I had to wait in line and they put it at the register. So when I got to the front, they didn't have the 13. Apparently somebody saw it and said that it was theirs. So the one ladies at the register gave them my 13. So when I got up to the front, they didn't have it. And I was standing there like, well, yo, I asked for it. The manager said he went and got the 13, but they must have gave it to somebody else. So from what he told me, he went and took this from an employee and sold it to me. She said, since they can't get their shit together, then I'm going to sell their shoes. So he sold me an employee's shoe. I mean, I hate that I took something from somebody else, but you know, when you working, man, you gotta kind of be more attentive to what you're doing. So they let somebody just pick a size that wasn't theirs, or probably got 2 pair of something that wasn't theirs. So, you know, sorry, but man, that ain't my rule, man. That's your boss rule. You know, he said you gotta be more vigilant when you out here selling these shoes, man. So that's been my day. Now, also, man, I want to talk about this apps. Footlocker, Finishline, Champs. At this current moment, still, I am on a wait list at Footlocker. And it's Saturday at 7:48. I'm still on a wait list for the breads at Footlocker. Like, yeah, sure. So the app crashed, and a lot of people, man, they had won a shoe and they wasn't able to claim it because the apps crashed and you couldn't get into the app. So by the time they got in, it told them that they're out of time. So, man, like the Footlocker, Foot Action Champs app, I don't know what's wrong, man, but when they first started these apps, they were dope. They worked perfectly. And then, like the last maybe 6 months to a year or so, they ran an update. And ever since they ran an update, those apps have been ass, like cheeks. And a lot of people logged back in when they finally got access, and it said that their time ran out for them to confirm. I was logged out of Footlocker app. I couldn't get in it. It's like an hour and 45 minutes passed before I got access. And then I received the notification from the Footlocker app saying I was promoted from waitlist. So when I actually finally got in, it still had me waitlisted, even though it told me I was promoted off the waitlist. So I actually didn't win anything from Footlocker. All my W's came from Foot Action and Champs and Finishline. So yeah, that was pretty much that, man. It was horrible. They got to do better, man. Footlocker, y'all got to do better, man. That was bad. It was real bad. It was a lot of people on Twitter. I just scrolled down their timeline, and all I saw was screenshots of the app telling them that they ran out of time to confirm. And of course, when you call or if you talk to anybody at the store, they just, on the phone, they just say there's nothing they can do about it. So a lot of the local stores actually had it to where you go there and they had so many pairs unclaimed that they gave tickets on the spot because they had a bunch of unclaimed pairs at some of the stores. So you might want to just check out a store and ask them instead of assuming that you wasn't going to get them because you didn't win the raffle. Because a lot of stores just had extra pairs and they just gave out tickets for them. So it was bad, man. Footlocker, y'all got to do better, man. That app is ass. And I really hope y'all try to make improvements for that moving forward, because the last few releases, it's been real bad, man. And this one right here, y'all had too many shoes on there for one day to try to do a raffle. You had a grade school Yeezy, men's Yeezy, grade school Bred, men's Bred, all in one day. And y'all felt that because y'all set them the times, separate, that it would work. Still didn't work. So y'all trying to stop that in-store raffle from backdooring. But all you did was probably help people more backdoor now than ever because the stores had pairs that were unclaimed. So, yeah, y'all got to do better than that, man. It was horrible today. That app was ass, man. Y'all got to do a lot better than that. A lot better. I mean, I got what I wanted, but I know a lot of people that didn't get what they wanted that really wanted that shoe, man, and it was bad. That was real bad. But that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. TheSneakerTribune.com. Hit the website. Shout out to the winner of the backpack. I got some more stuff coming soon, man. Top of the year. I'm probably going to shut down the Twitter and the website for the rest of the year and pick back up at the beginning of the year. This probably is my last video for the year. So I want everybody to have a happy new year. Have a Merry Christmas. Be safe out here in these streets. I want you guys to be able to get back on here, man, and check out the content or do, or live your life. And thank you. Thank you. I know I don't have many followers, subscribers. I'm 600 or something. I appreciate every last one of them. So I may not have as much as everybody else have, man, but I appreciate what I have. I keep working to try to make it better, but I appreciate what I do have. So thank you. Really, really want to say thank you, guys. And we're going to keep it pushing. I may have a few surprises up my sleeve, too, for next year and trying to expand what I have going on outside of just the website and this YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. And we pushing, baby. So until the next time, New Year, you guys be cool.